box of Dominion for CBJFan14. Good luck, brother. Lovely product. And prices are shooting up for this stuff. People are finally realizing what kind of value you get out of a product like this. It's about time. And the first box out of this case was the worst box of Dominion we've opened here. So, out of 100. So, this case should be, the rest of it should be absolutely filthy, because we have not had cases that disappoint yet. So, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So, both of the boxes left should be absolutely disgusting. Alright, just in case we need it. Here we go. Let's put this, there's a base on the bottom, so let's just go with it. Alright, here we go. Number 2 of 10, Alex Tanguay, base. Oh, you've got something dirty on the back. I don't know what it is. Base card, number to 199, Matt Molson. Base card, number to 199, Corey Perry. Patrice Cormier, rookie auto, numbered to 199. Get ready for something sick, guys. I don't know what it is, but yeah, it's going to be dirty. Sam Gagner, numbered to 50, on-card auto, numbered to 50. Championship Gear Prime, numbered 44 of 50, Joe Nieuwendyk. So yeah, this is going to be the major hit box with just a bunch of decent cards. Patrick Sharp jersey, numbered to 99. Lackluster so far. Just wait. We have a nameplate patch of Craig Anderson, numbered 5 of 25. We have a nameplate patch of Andrew Ladd. Oh my lord. Numbered 18 of 20. Just wait. Oh man. Here, let's just do this. Here's your last hit of the box. You see who that is? Matt Zuccarello? Or Matt Zuccarello? You ready for this? Boom. Rookie patch auto, black, 1 of 1. Reebok logo, Matt Zuccarello. 1 of 1. That thing is absolutely disgusting. Wow. Oh, sorry about that. 1 of 1. So there you have it, CBJ fan.